I need to talk to him. Hey, it's DJ Nova. Leave a message. Hey, this is DJ Nova. Leave a message. I'm playing the music for the lovers.
I'm on the wheels.
I want to do requests.
If they say it, I'll play it.
I want to hear great blends and mixes.
No problemo. My mixing skills are primo.
No bang bang, hit 'em up music, please.
Never say never, but it comes to them. So music is all about the vibe. Welcome back to the show. We're keeping the pulse of the streets. Miss Video Vixen, thanks for joining us. Let's talk about your new project.
So tell us, DJ Nova, what's the pulse of the streets right now?
Well, let me tell you, the vibe is electric. The streets are talking, and we're listening.
Well, that's my project. I gotta keep that momentum, but pick up the pace.
And we're back, live on the Pulse. Miss Video Vixen, always a pleasure. Let's keep the pulse of the streets going. What's the word?
I really want to bring a vibe. I mean, I'm gonna play all of the trendy stuff for sure, but that old school, yeah.
You talking playing some Michael Jackson? I mean, even Teddy Pendergrass, R. Kelly. Good music is good music.
What do you like to play?
Good music. Dancehall, reggae, hip-hop of course, and R&B.
We're to bring you a feel-good time.
All the time.
See y'all next time.
Remember, we are also on Mixcloud.
Oh, yeah, yeah, adapt to any borough chicks, be in spots where they burlow chicks. That's a real bitch, 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 real bitch. Adapt to any borough chicks, be in spots where they burlow chicks. That's a real bitch, 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 real bitch. She the type that like to ride the back of the motorbike when it with a block. She said to keep her wet like she loves braiding your hair. Definitely loves keeping your head next to her head. As she turned around and gave a glimpse of her famous dairy. Yeah. When it's ladies' night, all the homegirls are looking right. Gossiping about a dude on how I pipe. I brought a bottle, she bought the bar. She said if you wanna go to the after party, just follow their car. We was heading to the Hilton Suite, had a stripper pole built in. Instead of dropping singles, man, was dropping tens. Baller status, start a new trend. Baller status, start a new trend. Adapt to any bro shit.
I'm not an alpha, I'm a sigma. A lot of people can't figure out the enigma. Babe think being a sigma is a stigma. I see she really can't see color through her retina. Must have been the food that they feed her. I'm not an alpha, I'm a sigma. A lot of people can't figure out the enigma. Babe think being a sigma is a stigma. I see she really can't see color through her retina. Must have been the food that they fed her. You thought that I'd just be cooling on the sidelines, acting like everything is fine. But no, I'm in the game getting mines. I'm always on the low. I'm always getting dough. Don't act like you don't know. Me and Shorty Seep Creek, we've been at it about 8 weeks. She works in corporate while I get my money in the streets. She likes to eat heroes and nuggets. Her body's right, so she thinks nothing of it. This is what her fed house, so she's like, fuck, making fun of me cause I eat right. Making jokes, talking like I eat white. Saying I spend too money on food, that's why my pockets are tight. I'm not an alpha, I'm a sigma. A lot of people can't figure out the enigma. Babe think being a sigma is a stigma. I see she really can't see color through her retina. Must have been the food that they feed her. Once again, you're late.
Oh well, I'm here now.
Okay, slow down and relax. Don't catch a heart attack.
You the one saying I'm late.
I'm just trying to show and tell you that the early bird gets the worm.
First of all, I'm not a bird and I don't eat worms.
Okay, slow down and relax. Don't catch a heart attack.
Well, the queen of the photo shoot is here. Where's the photographer?
He went to lunch since you were supposed to be here at 6 in the morning.
I'm here now. He seems very unprofessional.
Okay.
Well, ain't you a photographer?
You're right. Let's get started. I'm gonna show you how nice I am. Shantae, you're a hot mess.
So she like fuck it, making fun of me because I eat right, making jokes talking like I eat white, saying I spend too money on food, that's why my pockets are tight. I'm not a alpha, I'm a sigma. A lot of people can't figure out the enigma. Baby think being a sigma is a stigma. I see she really can't see color through her retina. Must have been the food that they feed her. She ate 2 pizzas and I had 2 bananas. She started making faces and I couldn't understand this. Yeah. She said, why you eat like that? You ain't black, I can't invite to the family, but be true if you're afraid to get fat. I was like, baby, I gotta confess, I don't eat a lot of food that's processed, yeah. Girl, you look good now, 5 years, you'll be a mess. Your stomach will stick out more than your chest. I always been slim, growing up as a grown man. World's top model, body straight out of magazine, Coke bottle. I come from a hard knock life. She deserve to be my wife because we been around the world. We did that twice. We had our time apart.
Excuse me, do you know where the quinoa is?
Oh, I think it's in the next aisle over, near the rice.
Excuse me, do you know where the almond milk is?
Oh, it's actually right over there in the next aisle.
Yeah. By the way, what's your name?
Mia, what's yours?
Kevin Marks. I'm gonna give you my number. Listen, baby, call me.
If I decide to call you, you better have something to talk about. I gotta get to know you before you take me out.
If you don't call me, that's when I know you're not interested. 3 days.
Please don't act clingy.
If I was clingy, I would be like, you better have something to talk about before you take me out.
That's clingy. Never that. Just pick up that phone. I'm gonna call you when I get home.
Everybody thinks that y'all are just groupies and dancers.
They don't know. We are a force that can't be stopped.
That's what they all say. This time
It's different. Just watch us.
Listen, we gotta get this ball rolling.
We get that paperwork right. Pam, my brother, is an entertainment lawyer. I told you that. We are a force that can't be stopped.
Pam, tell me you got the beats.
I got you. I've been online and downloaded some hot beats. I got a list of dancers that love your music.
Perfect, let's make it happen.
Yes.